happening and below the earth will definitely precipitate tomorrow what is happening onto the earth.
Just remember that AI or any instrumentation will not come out of vacuum. You have to read, you have to have the background knowledge, and then the utilization comes.
This is a green AQI is up and down. You can see AQI is changing. Then you have humidity is changing. So you can plot many different parameters. You can plot solar radiation versus AQ, air quality index. So again, when I see, so this shows you the air quality index. When it's, again, the green is, the black is humidity. When the humidity is high, let's see what it's showing you. When the humidity is low, air quality is all high. So you can find a lot of different relationships.